Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make water bottle labels over on Canva. If you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you watch the video till the end. So once you log in to Canva, you want to go to Custom Dimensions. You want to make sure this is in inches, and you want to put 8.5 by 2 inches and select create a new design. So once your blank canvas is pulled up, you can pretty much start designing your water bottle label. And what I like to do from here is kind of create my own template so I can know exactly where I need to place everything. So I will go to Elements, I will go to Shapes, and I'm going to size up my size, and my size are normally about 3 inches by 2 inches. So I resized it 2 inches height and 3 inches across, and I'm going to move this to the side. And I'm just going to duplicate this. Okay, so now I have my sides, and now I have my middle. This is where I can design everything that goes in, that's going to be on the front of the water bottle labels, and these are going to be my sides here. Now from here you can start just designing your water bottle wrapper, and you can go to the upload tab and upload any of the clip arts and backgrounds, whatever you want to use. Right here you can simply use these boxes as your background. You can change the color by just going up to the color tab and selecting a new color. Or you can add in a photo background if you wanted to. Right, so you have your water bottle wrapper template right here. This is your guide that you need to use. And what I normally do, I create one label, I save it as a PNG file, and then I upload that image to a full 8x5 by 11 sheet of paper, and I add about 5 labels to that sheet of paper, and I print, and that's it. So I'm gonna design the label, I'm going to show you how to upload it and add the label to a full size sheet of paper, and I'm going to print, and I'm going to assemble a water bottle wrapper for you. Stay tuned. Alright guys, there you have it. I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I really don't think a template is necessary, but if you all would like for me to make a template and post it up in my Etsy shop, please drop me a comment down below. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. Thanks so much for watching. And as a special bonus, today is Friday, and for this week's Friday's freebie, you can head on over to my website, hangingwiththekiddos.com, and get these Baby Shark water bottle labels for free when you subscribe to my email list. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye. So much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and follow me on all of my social media channels, and check out my website, hangingwiththekiddos.com. Bye.